Hello student, today we revise chapter number 7 which is congruence of triangles. Okay, in that first one the fill in the blanks are there. Okay, let me solve that one. Two figures with the same shape and size are called. When two figures are there, they are having same shape and with same size, that is called congruence. They call congruence. Okay, next, if two angles, here the angle is there, okay, two angles are congruent, their dash are same. Two angles are congruent means their measures are same. Where the two angles having same measure means they are congruence. The notation of the congruence is this type of sign. Okay, that is the sign of congruence. Two squares are said to be dash if they are having the side of equal length. Two square having equal length, okay, and all angles are 90 degrees, so they are called congruent. They call congruent if they are having equal length. Two triangles are said to be congruent if the two triangles have their corresponding dash and dash congruence. So they are having corresponding angles and sides congruent. Okay, if the two angles having equal angles means corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are equal in measurement, that time we say that they are congruent. And two circles are said to be congruent if they are having same radius, that is radius. Okay, now here, which congruence criterion do you use in the following? Okay, here the diagrams are there. You just write down the congruence criterion here and then write down the rules here. Okay, here you just write down in your notebook. I just write down here. Look, first we write down what is the corresponding criterions are equal. Okay, so look here, one side AB 3.5 and YZ is 3.5 means AB congruent with YZ. Okay, then BC and XY. Okay, so BC congruent with XY and AC with XZ. AC congruent with XZ. Okay, so here look, measurement of three sides are congruence, corresponding sides. So rules is, that is SAS congruence criterion. Otherwise SSS, it's my mistake, SSS congruence criterion. Otherwise SSS rules. Okay, now ABC is congruence with. So look how to check that one. So here you just check A, in which two side A is there, in this two side. Look, AB and AC, so A is common. Same here, in that two, which one is common number of YZ, XYZ? Here look, in both one Z is common, so you just write down Z here. Then B, so AB and BC, in that B is there, and here common number point is Y, so here Y, and third one is X. So ABC corresponding to ZYX. Clear? Second one, look here. What is given? Look here, the AC and DF is given. So AC equal to DF. Otherwise you just write down congruence or equal, it's same. Okay, then BC and DE is given. BC congruent to DE. Okay, and look, sign of right angle is there, means angle B congruent with angle E is given. Okay, now two side and one angle is given, so two possibilities are there. Otherwise SAS, otherwise right angle is there, means RHS. That time what to do? When the right angle is there, you just check the diagonal hypotenuse are congruence. Yes, in both one hypotenuse are congruence. Okay, so that is RHS rules, according to RHS congruence criterion rule. Okay, you just write down RHS congruence criterion rule. Okay, now ABC. So look here, in both one C is common. Okay, AC and BC, C is common, and here D is common, means C with D. Okay, and B and E are equal, so we know that. So at the B with E is there, so what is left? That is F. So A with F, so F E D. Okay, otherwise what to do? Just start with B, okay, with E, then B to C. Okay, 4 centimeters. Same A to D is 4 centimeters. These two are equal. So third one is A. So A F B E C D. So F E D. Okay. Next one. Here what is given? Look, AB equal to, AB is 5 centimeter. Here MO is 5 centimeter. Okay. Here BC is 4 centimeter. Same MN is 4 centimeter. And here angle B is 45 and M is 40. Means B equal to M. Okay. So two side and included angle is there. So according to SAS, two side and included angle. So SAS congruence criterion rules. Okay, according to they are congruence. Now ABC corresponding to, look here, B with M. So at middle B with M is there, and in both one B is common. Same here, M is common. Okay, so at middle M is there. Now look, B to A, that is 5 centimeter. So you just check here with M, which point is 5 meter away from M? That is O. That means O and A are equal. So at the place of first one A, you just write down here O. B and M are equal, so here write down M. Okay, and last one is N. So OMN. ABC corresponding to OMN. Okay, here two angles and one side is congruence. Okay, angle B with angle Q, sorry, B with R is there. Okay, C, angle C with angle Q is there, and BC and QR are equal. BC equal to QR. Okay, so B and C, equality of B and C are given. So third one A, and here Q and R are there. Third one is P, means A is corresponding to P. So at the place of A, you just write down P, B with R, and C with Q. Okay, so ABC corresponding to PRQ. Now according to which rule? Look, two angles are there and included side is there. So ASA. Okay, congruence criterion. Congruence criterion rules. Okay, same last one. Look here, equality. Look, AB and CD, same sign are there. AB and CD are equal. Same BC and DE are. BC and DE are equal. And angle B and angle D are equal. Okay. Now check. Two possibilities are there. Two side, and one angle is there. Okay. And angle is right angle. So that time what to do? You just check the hypotenuse here. Both hypotenuse are not equal. Okay. So two side and included angle is there. So rules is SAS. Look here, the right angles are there, but rules is SAS because included angle, right angle is included angle is there. Okay, so SAS congruence criteria rules. Okay, now ABC, B with D. Okay, so here at the B we write down D here. Then B to A, this type of sign is there, and D to this type of sign here C is there. So at the place of A, you just write down C, B with D, and third point is E. Okay, so ABC corresponding to CDE, and according to SAS congruence criterion rules. Okay, so with this one I already sent the PDF of this paper. You just solve this paper in your notebook. Okay, thank you.